Well, hey there, guys. How you doing there? Well, we're here, here on my floor, on the floor of my place, because I was gonna go and film this unboxing on the table behind me, but there's too much light interference from the window. It's too bright. So whatever. Here we go. So Jack, here we go. Unboxing of Jack's. Apparently, he sent me like 200 brochures here. And Jack lives in New Hampshire, and he's been a subscriber a long time. Thanks again, buddy. I'm sure it's going to blow my mind. And he had offered me, I've been selling him photos of trucks that I've taken over the years. And anyway, recently offered me these photos. He offered me these brochures. He said, I got a bunch of brochures, I'll sell them to you cheap, you know? So basically, he made me an offer I couldn't refuse. You know? And man, he taped this good, man. Taped this well. Oh, baby. Oh, I hope I didn't just scratch one of them. Yeah, I just did. Oh, there's a little note. Hope to see this opening featured on your channel. Keep up the great content, Jack. Yeah, thanks, buddy. Yeah, just scratch this one. Oh, actually, it's okay. Look at that, 86 Crown Victoria. Yeah, baby. Woo! Interstate Ford in Miamisburg, Ohio. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm going to spend some hours enjoying looking at all that. Hey, look at this. El Camino 79. Woohoo! Oh, baby, look at that. It's a centerfold. Oh, shit. More El Camino. Jack is especially a big fan of trucks, heavy trucks. Look at that. El Camino again. 80, 81. Full-size pickups. Oh, man. Look at this. I'm not sitting in a comfortable place here. I gotta rest my back in a second, guys. I'm gonna move this back a bit here. Ugh, I don't feel like getting up to see if this is fine. I'm sure it is. Oh, I better check. God damn it. Yeah, it looks good. Looks great. Yeah. It's not very comfortable for me, but whatever. Look at that, eh? Good old top kick. 1980 medium duty Chevrolets. I think I have this one. Hey, El Camino again. Saw a nice video for one of these. I can't remember which channel it was on. Oh yeah, it's the guy from Delaware. Fuck, I can't remember his channel name. East Coast Classics. Oh, look at this, eh? Yeah, man, 8300. That's rare, actually, as a tractor. These were really local type trucks, not long haul. 8300, fucking rare. Econoline. Nice. Look at that, motorhomes. There's even a school bus in there. Hey, you know me, I love step vans. Look at that, 70. Ooh, oh my God, I've seen one exactly like this. I have a photo of one exactly like that, same color, when I lived in NDG, and I've seen a couple like this too as well. Oh, isn't that something? Ooh, yeah. Got some damage on that one. Look at that, eh? Dodge Caravan, 1993. Second last year for the redesign. Wow. Ooh, what the hell is that? Centurion COE. What the hell? Oh, it's a CCC. These are extremely rare up here in Canada. Yeah, that's right, the CCC. These were popular, especially in New York, as garbage trucks. Yeah, look at that. Oh, isn't that something? Hey, Jack, thanks again, buddy. This is really something. Thanks again, buddy. If you don't see me in the picture. Wow. Crane Carrier Company. Tulsa, Oklahoma. Look, there's more. Road Expediter. Yeah, white road boss. Oh my god, dude. You're going to be getting some serious pictures from me for free, that's for sure. Man, look at that. It's a fucking crew cab on top of that. That's an S-Series crew cab. What year is this thing? I don't even know what year that is. Early 80s. Again, medium duties. Look at this weirdness. Whoa, they're using a foreign cab. I don't know from what. Damn, must be a Mitsubishi or a Isuzu or something. That's a weird one. Ooh, look at this garbage truck. Nice. The LCO concept. Wow. This is for anyway. Oh, the LTL 9000. I have a 2-page ad for this truck. I'll never sell it. It's fantastic. Look at that. LTL 9000. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? Oh my god. It's one of the most coolest trucks ever made. That and of course the cab over CTL. Hey, look at that, eh? Custom Jeep Wagoneer. This must be 63 to 67. Doesn't even say a year on it. Where's the year? Where's the freaking year, man? Oh my lord, there's not even a year on this thing. Wow, that's weird. That's like a lot of European car ads I have that. They never would write the year on the ad. No, that's weird. It's really cool. But no year. God damn, that's strange. That's weird. Love it. Oh my god, school bus. School buses! 1980 bus chassis Chevrolet. Look at that Bluebird. No way, that is so cool. Here's another one. Jeez, you bought a lot of brochures, buddy. Look at that. Oh man. Damn, that's cool. More step, another step van. 84 Chevy trucks. High cube vans and step vans. Wow. Ford Taurus 87. Wow. It's even more amazing if you can find any of these vehicles that are low mileage and still in original condition. And still in very good condition. There you go, first year, 86. Look at that. Even today, this car still fits in and it's just can go unnoticed within modern cars because it was just so futuristic. It's a timeless design. That's weird, eh? With the black grill like that. I've never seen that before. Hey, look at that Aerostar. Hey, that's funny. I should see that because I went to do my groceries the other day, and the delivery guy, he says, you know, he recognized me. He says, "Hey, you want a lift?" You know, so I went with him with my groceries, and I remember I told him, I said, years ago when I lived in Pierrefonds, sometimes the guy would, when I would go walk the 20 minutes to go do my groceries, the delivery guy would give me a lift home, and he had 2 Aerostars. He had the regular one, and then he had this one, which was an ex-Canada Post. Yeah, like just like that. Business. Try to find one of those. Look at that. Ford trucks. Aerostar again. Aerostar Wagon. Call it a wagon. 75 Chevy. Yeah, man. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm going to go through all these. The box is just loaded with them. You know? Look at that. 79. S10 pickup, man. What year is that? 85. Wow. Beautiful. That's what's great about GM. They didn't cheap out on the brochures and ads because they made the most money out of all the car companies. You know, look at that Chevy van. What was that again? 85, 86. Cable network. Wow. Fabulous. Astro. 86 again. Laser. 86. Man, they're all here. Look at that. S10. S10. Suburban. 86. Wow. Must be hard as hell to find one of these colors. Ooh, look at this. Hey, 71 Chrysler Royal. This was basically a Newport. And it was just a name they brought back from the 30s and 40s, I think. Oh man, that's sweet. But it didn't, it lasted I think only a year or two. It was just, people were like, what the hell's a Royal, you know? Aerostar, oh wow. That's something, eh? Aerostar again. Hey, that's the one he showed me a picture of. Look at that, friggin' Mustang, man. 87 Mustang LX and GT. Ooh yeah, look at that, eh? American muscle. Well, for that time anyway. I had a friend who had one just like this. It was weird because it was navy blue and it had a gray vinyl top. Very bizarre. Bronco again. Another LTD. Yeah, this one I saw in the picture he had sent me to. Look at this. Mark 6, man. Lincoln Mark 6. What's this? 80? 1982. Oh, baby. Look at that. I've got a friend who's got one like this. I think his is an 81 or 82. Wow. Crown Victoria again. Look at that with the private jet. Isn't that a nice touch? Hey Jack, thanks again, man. This is really cool. I still have to go pick up those pictures from the drugstore. And before I make a video, I think I'm just going to take a picture of them all. I'm going to take a picture of them all together for you to pick out what you want. Like a trade, you know. Jesus, Murphy, amazing. Just goes on and on. What the fuck is this? Look at this. It's a letter from a. It's a letter from a GMC truck sales manager. Wow, that's cool. Wow. Oh wow, I've seen one of these around here. Man, oh man. The mother load, buddy. The mother load. Incredible. Look at that, 80 Thunderbird. Oof. Beautiful cars. I could say beautiful shitboxes, but probably not more of a shitbox than this. Jimmy, I'm not going to show all of them because like I said, there's a hell of a lot in here, but whoa, that's a weird one. Look at this. 78 Dodge Challenger. This was really a gimmicky car. This was really more of a Mitsubishi. Wow, I'll try to find one of these today. Man, oh man. Oh, the Monaco, sweet. Jeez, this thing makes me think of my friend Scott there, his Fury, Plymouth Fury version of this. No way. And I saw one exactly like this on Sherbrooke Street downtown last summer or last fall. Man, look at that, eh? 77 Dodge 4-wheel drive pickups. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh my god. 74 Dodge Monaco Wagon and Coronet. What the bottom? Holy shit, man. What? It's a poster. Is it a poster? It is a poster. Oh my lordy. No, this one I might have to frame it. If I can. Can I? Not really. I just heard a ship horn. Wow, that's fucking cool. Look at that. There's the Coronet. There's the Monaco. That's clever. Very cool, man. That's really cool. There's the other Monaco. Wow. 74 Coronet. 72 Dodge. Woo, that's neat. Buddy, man, you really outdid yourself. This is really amazing. Wow. Look at that, Dodge Challenger. 72 Dodge Challenger. Are these all the models? Yeah, look at that. Dart Demon, Dart Challenger, Coronet, Charger, Polar, Monaco. Wow. It's like they're all there. Look at that. There's the Dart. Wow. That's the RT. Coronet. Charger. Wow. Awesome. Okay, dude, I'm not going to film all this then. There's even way more than that. But again, this is quite a collection. Thanks again, buddy. This is really something else. Can I turn this towards me, or is it? Thanks again, buddy. Really, muchos gracias, amigo. Very, very nice. Thank you very much. I'm going to enjoy looking at this stuff later, since I'm really tired anyway from yesterday's John filming trucking and the thunderstorm and filming the thunderstorm and then afterwards and all that. So this will be great for me to chill out for a few hours, and because I have trouble not relaxing, you know. So thanks again, and take care, and thanks again everybody for watching. Look at this, look at this. Again, 74 Monaco. Oh my God. Again, thanks, buddy. I'm gonna go to the pharmacy later and pick up those pictures. So thanks again, buddy. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.